So there's a bunch of tools that let you generate AI content, but what if there was one tool that will help you with generating valuable SEO optimized AI content? However, it was based on current events and let you include a call to action to your website at the end. And this is exactly what this tool does. And in this short video, I want to go over how it actually works and how it can be beneficial for your SEO efforts. So let me just go over it really quickly. I recorded a video on this in the past, but since then we've added a dashboard and some new cool features. So I just want to break it down for you, a really quick video, but I do think it's very valuable. So let me get this going. So right here, I'm going to put my website URL. And I guess before that, let me just read what this is. So essentially, this allows you to generate trending high quality articles. So the trending part is because you can click and choose if you want the articles or the content that you're going to generate to be based on news events, right? So stuff posted on Fox News, on BBC, on Forbes, and all these authoritative platforms, right? So you can choose news based on the day, on the week, or on the month. And by trending, we mean news that are getting a lot of shares online, social media. We have a system in place that allows us to determine what's trending or not, right? High quality articles, this essentially means that they're well written, well structured, right? SEO optimized, that fool your business. And the fooling your business means essentially that you can add simply a call to action to the bottom of the article, which is in line, of course, with what the article says. So again, instantly get trending SEO optimized articles with a call to action that promote your business based on the latest news and events from your niche. And so let's test it out. Let me just log in really quickly here. I think I'm logged in. So let's do Vetted, for example. And let's do, if you don't know, Vetted is a platform where businesses can hire SEO talent for their business needs. So this is not very well written, but I think you get the point. Essentially, you need to describe what your business is about. Let's do niche. Let's do SEO because Vetted is a SEO platform and should pop up here. Okay. And the news, let's do training for the month. And then let's hit generate. Now, I've done this before, so I'm not going to wait for this one to generate. So I'm just going to go to history right here and take a look at the one I generated before. This one right here, let's take a look at the 10 articles. So we generate 10 articles. Again, these are SEO optimized articles that will have a call to action to my business and that are going to be essentially, that are essentially articles generated via these news that came in about SEO and about my business. And yeah, I guess instead of me talking, I can just show you what they are. So let's open here the first one, and for how to make money online with a traditional job, right? Talks about ways you can make money online with blogging, how you can do it with blogging. Step 1, pick a niche, create quality content. Talks about SEO, which of course is the niche of the business that I submitted, which was vetted. Build a community, whatever, talks a bit about that. And at the end, as you can see here, there's a conclusion. It says, there are many ways to make money online, and these are just a few of the most popular options. No matter what your specialized area of expertise might be, you can create and sell your own products to gain some extra cash. And then right here, if you're looking to hire SEO experts for your business to help you with online marketing, visit Vetted today. And you click it and you go to the site. So this is just one option, right? We give you 10. Let's just open right here another one. Of course, some of these might not be the best fit, like this one. That's why we give you 10. And again, you get unlimited articles. You just have 10 per generation, right? Right here, what you have here, discover how to make money online with the lucrative world of online marketing. Again, talks about online marketing. So you can see the niche is the same. And of course, just like the other one, the call to action is here. Ready to start your career in online marketing? Hire SEO expert for your business today at Vetted. And it is in line, right? This question right here, ready to start your online career in marketing, is in line with what the title of the article talks about and the content of the article, right? So these are not just thrown in here randomly. These call to actions are thrown in here with some thought, right? And we can do one more 10 online business ideas you can make money. Again, just like similar to the other one with a call to action. Sometimes it gives you an anchor text with the brand name. Sometimes it gives you the anchor text with the full URL. So this is the power of this. And again, all these articles are coming in from news-based events. So essentially what we do, hopefully I can write here. I cannot write here. So essentially what you do is we take in the info you send us, right? So your business URL, your business description, your niche, and we gather the most trending news for the day, week, or month, and generate SEO optimized articles based on the news that are trending for your niche or related to your niche site and business description. We take those, read them all with our AI model, right? And then generate unique articles. These are all unique articles, right? This isn't copy pasted from the news sources. This passes all AI tests as well. which are two unique things, right? One thing is having unique content, the other thing is having content that passes AI checks, and these cover both, right? So that's the value of this, right? If you want to populate the blog when you don't know really what you want to talk about, you can just use this to generate articles that are in line with what's happening currently in training in the world around your niche. So super valuable. It's a tool that's great. We've been using it more and more lately, and I really like it. And I mean, if you want to grab it, my goal with this is not try and sell you the tool. If you do want to grab it, great. If not, no worries. But if you do, you can use a coupon, which is, I'll leave it in the screen. I can test it out here. Just do by here. I think it's save 50. I'm not too sure, but you can save 50%. So let's say here, apply. No, is it get 50? No, it is 50 off. Yeah. So yeah, $12, pretty cool. You essentially get unlimited articles, which is quite cool. And again, these are articles generated, 1,000 articles, which is quite a lot to populate the blog. And again, these are great quality articles. If you want to give it a go, here you go. I'll leave a link in the description. If not, no worries. Again, I just wanted to show you this because I think I'm going to run a case study with this, start a blog, start posting this content on there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.